Hey, ti piace la pizza? Before you answer, let me tell you 4 ways to answer in Italian and why there are 4 ways. So, mi piace la pizza means I like pizza. It's a very basic, generic statement. You're just stating what you like. And that's the weak pronoun, mi, to indicate the indirect object, to me. You could also say la pizza mi piace. But when would you say that? In a number of contexts. But if I were to hear la pizza mi piace, that means that I want to say something after, like pizza I do like, but I'm on a diet. La pizza mi piace, ma sono a dieta. La pizza mi piace, ma questa pizza non è buona. I do like pizza, but this pizza ain't good. Then you can use the more spelled out pronoun, the more spelled out indirect object, which is a me. A me piace la pizza. Again, you're making more emphasis. You're speaking with more emphasis. A me piace la pizza. Ma questa non è pizza. I do like pizza, but this is not pizza. Or if you want to emphasize that you like pizza, not focaccia, say somebody gives you a load of focaccia because they thought that you liked it, and you're like, no, I like pizza, not focaccia. A me piace la pizza, non la focaccia. You could also say a me after, la pizza piace a me, when you want to make a contrast, as if to say, no, it's me who likes pizza, not my wife. So, la pizza piace a me, non a lei. La pizza piace a me, non a mia moglie. So you need to juggle these 4 instances. When you just want to say, I like pizza, mi piace la pizza. And the other options are, la pizza mi piace, a me piace la pizza piace a me. And if you're anything like me, you're probably hungry by now.